Hey guys, it's Miss England. I'm glad you found my video, and I hope this is going to be helpful to you. We're going to be talking about how to write an outline, and hopefully you'll be watching this tonight. It is March 24th, and we're going to be talking about this in class on the 25th. So this video is here to give you a preview, and it's also here for you to go back and look at again in case you struggle with the outline. I understand that there are probably several of you who are seeing an outline for the first time with this project, but you are going to write one and it's going to be awesome. You can see that I have a Google Doc open called Outline Video Doc, and I will be sharing this with you in the future so you'll be able to come back to it in its completed form. It's best if you have your outline document in another tab as you watch this video. So you should go to our Google Classroom page, and you will see the outline assignment here. You need to click on outline. It will take you to a link that will have a document waiting for you with your name in the title, and then you will be able to open that up and create your outline. And it will look like this. And you can put your name in it and come back when you're ready. So hit pause, do that, I'll wait. Put your name in and then move your cursor down a couple of lines. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, you're back. Awesome. All right, so we're going to go to what an outline looks like in its completed form. Okay, this is kind of what an outline is supposed to look like. All right, it's got Roman numerals. It's got capital letters, it's got what we call cardinal numbers here, and each level of the outline is a different level of detail, all right? Your Roman numerals are for your big chunks of your outline, all right? These say body paragraph, but in a larger paper they might even be body sections of the outline. So if you were to look straight down the left-hand side of the page, you would be able to easily spot all the important stages of this outline. The next stage in are going to be sections of your sections, so to speak. So for example, if Roman numeral 1, the introduction, stands for your introductory paragraph, then A will be one of the sentences within your introductory paragraph, and you'll also be able to add more sentences to your introduction paragraph as you go along. See, here is one more sentence, and here is another sentence, and I can put those in and take those out as I choose to. By the way, feel free to stop this when you need to and practice whatever you want to in your own outline. You're not doing anything yet, so just watch. And you can see that I've got this color-coded. Again, we've got blue for claim statements. Okay, so we have a major thesis statement right here in the introduction, and then each section of our paper has what we'll call a subclaim, 1, 2, and 3, and these are the claims that we're going to make that are subordinate to our thesis statement, so how we're going to prove this point, okay? Underneath each subclaim, we have data. And you can see that I've turned that red. You might have 2, you might have 3 pieces of data in each paragraph, but you will have data in every single paragraph. And then after data, we know that from claim data warrant that it's not a complete persuasion until we have a claim, data to back up that claim, and warrant that explains how the data backs up the claim. So this is sort of what an outline looks like as it progresses. But we're going to be starting with a very elementary form of the outline. This is how this outline is built. We start with the big chunks and it expands out from the center and builds into a smaller thing. So this is what stage 1 looks like with the outline. You can see that we have only the Roman numeral features right now. I have my introduction, I have my subclaim 1, 2, and 3, I have my optional opposing claim, and I have my conclusion. And this would always be how I start a paper, okay, just with the Roman numerals. All right, so we're going to sort of walk through how to do this. All right, so I'm going to go to my outline video document, and I'm going to start with just how to create an outline in the first place. Hopefully most of you are familiar with how to number things in a Word document or in a Google Doc. Because I have my Google Doc sort of narrowed in, I'm not seeing my number option, so if I click the More button, I can see my numbers here. And next to my numbers, I have a drop-down menu. All right, if I click that drop-down menu, I can see that I have different ways to number this paper. One of these blocks shows what we call the classic outline. The classic outline is going to be this block here. I can see my Roman numerals, my capital letters, my cardinal numbers that follow my capital letters. So I'm going to click on this block and it should give me a Roman numeral 1 to start with. And it does. Now I could also have done that without using the drop-down menu by, here I'm going to block that out, by just typing a capital letter I, period, and a space. So stop real quick, go to your outline button, your outline document, and type in a 1 period space, and then I want you to hit return. So what happened? Hopefully what happened was that, oops, maybe that's what happened. If that's what happened to you, if your Roman numeral 1 just disappeared, then type another space or type anything that you want, blah, 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 here's some letters, and hit return, and you should get a Roman numeral 2. And if you do the same thing, you'll get another Roman numeral 2. So if I just type gibberish forever, I would continue to get all of my Roman numerals, okay? But I don't want Roman numerals forever. Sometimes I want to increase my levels. So what I might be able to do, let's say that I wanted this line of gibberish to fit underneath Roman numeral 1. Rather than make it Roman numeral 2, I wanted to make it letter A. So I would put my cursor at the beginning of the line right here, and I would hit the tab button. And that moves it over and makes it a capital letter A. It also made the next line, it made my Roman numerals all bump down, so the next one is now Roman numeral 2. Okay? I can do the exact same thing with that line too, though. I can make this letter B and move the next line of gibberish into Roman numeral 2. And if I change my mind and I want to make this line of gibberish a Roman numeral 2 again, I can again put my cursor at the beginning of the line. Okay, see where it's blinking there? And I can hold down the Shift key and hit Tab. And that moves it back to Roman numeral 2. So play around with that just a little bit. Stop the video, go into your own outline document, and I want you to create the bare bones of your outline. I want you to create the introduction, the 3 body sections, and the conclusion. Go ahead and go to your document and create that, and I will create it here.